Anong dapat mong gawin 'pag na-define mo na kung ano yung value na i-add mo sa customers, yung value proposition mo, na-define mo na yung target market mo at nagbebenta ka na, anong dapat mong maintindihan? The next thing to do is to understand your business. Paano siya mag-ooperate na patuloy? Paano niya masusustain yung sarili niya through profits and cash flow? Paano siya kumikilos yung business mo? So, identify the components of your business. Siyempre, meron kang sales, meron kang operations, kung saan nanggagaling yung produkto mo, pinamanufacture mo ba o binibili mo lang. And then, define kung ano ang tsura ng iyong financial model. Meron kang sales, meron kang cost, meron kang operating expense. So, define that business model, cash flow. Paano siya umiikot yung cash flow. So, define mo lahat yun and define mo yung components ng iyong organization para tumakbo siya. Then, you will be ready, keep on growing your business. That is a business model na kailangan naiintindihan mo sa mind mo. Define your business model after you have defined your value proposition and your target market.